Have you ever heard of the king of gemstones? Yes, the red ruby. For centuries, it has been a symbol of power, courage, and deep passion. But beyond its beauty, ruby holds a powerful energy that many believe can truly impact your well-being. Ruby is said to boost blood circulation, support heart health, and energize the entire body. In ancient Ayurvedic traditions, it was used to activate the root chakra, the center of grounding, confidence, and vitality. And there's more. Ruby is believed to protect against negative energy, sharpen mental clarity, and even help attract success and true love. Wearing it as a ring, or simply carrying it close, ruby isn't just a stone. It's a companion for the ambitious and a guardian of positive energy. The red ruby, one of the most powerful and captivating gemstones in the world. Known since ancient times as the Stone of Kings, ruby has adorned crowns, swords, and royal rings for centuries. But its power goes far beyond beauty. Spiritually, the red ruby is believed to awaken the root chakra, grounding your energy, increasing motivation, and building confidence. It's a stone of fire, passion, and purpose. Physically, many crystal healers say ruby helps improve blood flow, energizes the body, and strengthens the heart. Some even use it to fight fatigue and support the immune system. Emotionally, ruby is known to boost self-worth, protect against toxic relationships, and spark deep love and loyalty. In ancient India, it was called Ratnaraj, the king of precious stones. So whether you wear it as jewelry or keep it close in meditation, the red ruby is not just a gem, it's a timeless source of strength.